Baby!
Guess we'll see right after the thingy. 1, 2, oh 1, 2, 3, 4. Cat plus pig. Cat plus pig. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
10?
10. We are two. Na 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 na. If you plus me. Na 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 na. We're plus pig. Plus pig. Plus pig. Cat plus pig. Okay, so I'm Peg, and this. And we're just finished building the block towers in the universe for. And which is both towers are totally identical.
Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. Roll your boat gently down the stream.
No. You just pee myself. That was terrible.
Now they just need a cylinder-shaped block to top them off. Behold, they're so tall.
Oh,
So smooth. You knocked down my tower.
sus.
Because look, our tower's the same.
Except for the car.
Come on, remember how to rebuild